1, action!
Stand by! 3, 2, 1, action! Bible verse, Memorization Challenge, Day 252. Omega Digi Bible verse of the day. 1 John 4:19. In King James Version. We love Him because He first loved us. 1 John 4:19. And in Pampango Bible, unang 1:4-19. Lulugod tamo, uling minuna, nakatamong liguran ning Diyos. Unang 1:4-19. Thanks be to God po. Salamat king Ginoo. Share the love.
Good take. Good job. Perfect.
Stand by. 3, 2, 1, action. Go. Stand by. 3, 2, 1, action. Stand by. 3, 2, 1, action.
Bible verse, Memorization Challenge, Day 252. Omega Digi Bible verse of the day. 1 John 4:19. In Tok Pisin version, or in Papua New Guinea language, 1 John 4:19. Yumi, laikim true. Bilong wanem, laikim Yumi true pastaim. 1 John 4:19. And in Tagalog version, unang 1:4-19. Tayo'y nagsisiibig, sapagka't siya'y unang umibig sa atin. Unang 1:4-19. King James Pisin Bible. Thank you, Igulong God. Salamat sa Diyos. Thanks be to God. Share the love.
Good day. Good job. Perfect.
Thank you for